Fine, that's a good deal. Hey guys, Luke here back with another video, and today we are going to do a double video with Sage. He's going to have really... What?
Or 9.2601.
Yeah, Sage is going to have really terrible reactions to,
VR horror games. So you can hear me screaming in the background.
God, sir. Oh my gosh, Sage, what the heck? I need to teleport to you. I need to get some wood.
Okay, I'm fine.
You know what? Rip you. You're gonna jump down here.
No, don't do it. You almost killed me, man.
No, I didn't. You only lost 3 health.
I don't care.
That's like, wait, what the fudge? You took my mouse is over here. What the fudge? Okay, so let's get going. Yeah.
Hey, what's your Wi-Fi password?
Don't tell the YouTube people.
Thanks, mate. Wait. What? Dude, how do I get it?
Okay, wait. I'm gonna type it out. Okay, there it is. There, it's right there. So what we're going to do is I am making a grinder so that I can like get some money. Did you get it, Sage?
I think so.
Because I think we might. I need. What?
Oh, I'm already feeling. I'm still downloading it right now. Oh my god.
Are you feeling like it's gonna be terrible, scary?
Yes.
But stuff.
It has 4 stars, so it means it's good. It's a 4-star game. I'm shutting this door.
So that you're not
So my screams are more amplified.
He can scream very loud. Okay, that's just screaming, man.
Oh, I rolled back farther than I wanted to. In this chair.
Are you going to play the intensified study thing? Channel and you play VV? Please come to our grinder.
Okay.
We're
the horror
we
game
might sell it.
The horror game's downloaded. Oh no.
Oh gosh.
I have a bad feeling in my stomach right now. I barely play. This is like my first time, second time playing a VR horror game.
Since you just did one this morning.
I just. Oh no.
Yes, I got it. I did it. I did it! Butter, 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 butter. Now I will go gather some jungle wood. So that I can make ladders.
Okay.
Ladders. What the fuck?
Yes, this is already creepy.
Wood.
And it's not even focused.
What? The heck? What's it about?
I don't know.
Are you gonna scream?
Most likely I will.
Okay.
I guess that's what you'd be hoping for. You wanna... I guess that's the point of this video, is you're playing Vanillaverse while you hear some dudes screaming in the background because he's playing a horror game. It's very realistic because it's virtual reality. Oh no.
What?
It's about ready to start.
Are you just gonna scream loudly?
I probably will.
Okay, I need to get up to the grinder. We're going to make a grinder and we're going to like let people use it. It's gonna be an XP grinder. Bum, bum. Okay, now I'll make a bunch of jungle wood and make a bunch of that. Okay, 32 sticks, and then I can make in here a bunch of ladders.
Okay.
Are you just gonna get scared out of your mind, probably?
Probably. Okay. And by the way, I'm using this really nice VR headset. Got it for $18. Pull trigger to start.
Don't pull it.
Is this what you wanted?
I have no idea. I have my.
Jeez, how do I even start this? Okay, well, now this game isn't working. Dang it.
No, actually work, sir.
Oh, and it says to follow the voices already, you know.
Oh gosh. Follow
I
the
want to
voices.
find something a little more.
Less scary.
No, just like something that I don't really have to have it. Because, yeah. Oh, this is scary.
Is scary.
I found something that's scary.
Okay, now we like need just. Let's. Hey guys, if you do play Vanillaverse and you watch this, please come to our grinder. It will help us out if you do, because we will get scared out of our minds probably. I want to up there. All right, good. We've got a grinder.
Oh,
Yay! Except we haven't even started it yet. Good job, us. So wait, we like. Get it? Get that. Put this here. And no! No, gosh. Oh my gosh, Sage, you're about to drown. You're about to drown in that. Whoa. We don't want
Oh,
to do that.
5.
I don't think
Okay,
it's
I'm just gonna look
close.
something up on YouTube instead.
Why?
Oh, what?
What?
Because I can't really find any good games.
Good horror. Just
Okay.
just do the Insidious.
No, I've already seen that like 2 times.
Just do it, just for the screams and the gasps and stuff. Guys,
I need to.
Sage is going to scream, I think.
Okay.
Are you going to do Insidious, Sage, or not?
No, I'm doing this other thing.
20 of this.
Oh no! Okay. Almost there.